Feeling short?
Yeah, I'm having difficulty breathing. Really side effects, right?
Yeah. You want to sit right here. Sit
Yeah,
right
yeah.
there.
Yeah, am I fine? Hi guys, ataya. Wag gyud syerte, buhay pa jud ko. So,
Sige nga, uy.
yung nakita, naglisod man ako ginhawa after sa vaccine. Loko naman nun dito. So, gahapon to siya. Magabot na ako sa balay. Wa na ako ka uman sa video. Kay kapoy ba, poy-poy sa lawas niya. May pagmata na ako niya. So far, okay na akong ginawa. Back to normal na niya. Kuhan lang, kapoy ang lawas karon niya. Poy-poy akong bukton katong injectionan ba. Pero overall, I think kanang okay na siya. Niya, kitang mo sa akong experience dito sa vaccine center niya. Mo-comments ako sa mga nahitabo. So, layan lang tanaw.
Hello.
Hey, kuhan kaya ako ng video.
Ay, mo
Ako ng torno. Kung watch yung torno. Naog sa ako.
Uy.
Ano na?
20 na ba yan?
Ba, ano mo eh. Hey guys, so na ako sa kuan doon sa St. Paul, Minnesota kay magpa-vaccine ko. So finally, abot na ako ang hindi akong cellphone. Shout out tayo ko ni Jonathan Camoresta nga naa sa Saudi karon. Amping da Brad niya ayo-ayo ug sa mga tanan taga Pidusay nga gwapo-gwapa. Shout out ninyo diha, yamping mo. So finally, mabaksinan ako. So pabaksin jud ko kay para maka-vlog mig maayo ba, makalaag ni para ninyo nya. Mora gihapon kanang dili mo subscribe, bad shot kayo. So naot nga subscribe mo ba para bibo ta tanan ha. So adto na ko kay sin malate ko nya, dire malate ka cancel na ba din tanan. So kita ta taud-taud. Mana ko sa building. Kita ko sa location nasa COVID Vaccine Center. Hi. Good. Have a appointment at 5:40 for vaccine. Okay. Cool. Which this goes here? Okay. Thank you, sir.
Do you have a middle initial?
Yeah. It's Sanchez, but my first name is Maverick.
So it's an S for your middle name?
Yes.
Or for your temperature? Here. Alright, you step forward to the first circle on my left.
Okay, thank you. So, nako dire, ganyan ako. Na-perform. Please inform. Yeah, first dose.
So this is a Pfizer vaccine. It's the first of two. It'll come back May 14th at 5:30 for your second dose. Some common side effects can be pain at the injection site, flu-like symptoms, can develop a fever. If you do Tylenol and ibuprofen or ulcer to take, typically the side effects come after the second one.
So sa laktod nga pagka-istorya or kung di mo kay ba mosabot og English, kay gisultihan ko niya unsay mga posible nga side effects after ka ma-vaksinan. Kaya unsa sa imong buhaton kung mahitabo na sa imo or ma-experience na nimo.
Do you want to take one arm?
Okay. All right.
And just relax it down there so I can make it easy more.
There we go. And I need to wait like 15 minutes, right?
15 minutes.
Okay.
A little
That's it?
So, you want to make sure you bring this back with you. We'll write that second dose in. If you ever have to prove you got the vaccine, it'll be through this. So you want to make sure, take a picture of it or a copy of it once you get the second dose, and then try and keep the original.
Okay.
Then 5:45, we can go at 6. If
Okay.
you have any symptoms at all, or if you have any questions, raise
I
your
just
hand.
shout.
Yeah, they're walking around, so they'll see us. So,
Okay.
we're looking for shortness of breath.
Is there any like waiting area here?
Yep, right back there.
Okay. Thank you so much. You too. So, mo na to siya na tutlukan ako. So, kailangan may pangaton og mga 15 minutes kay observe kung na ba kay allergic reaction or something. So, huwat sa ko direct mga 15 minutes to 30 minutes. So, while naghuwat ko dito, maglinya mo na dito, yan na ay magsigig follow up ninyo, sig pangutanag. Okay ra ba ka? O siya manggibati niya. Mga 12 minutes after, ni action mo kung kabalaka, kanang hiot ako kung dughan, niya, naglisod ko ginhawa, niya. Ido lang nurse na ako, niya na nga, okay ra ka, niya na ako nga, di, imo to nga, kaming duha, nga ratol ba? Di, sakay ko wheelchair, niya, mo ni nahitabo.
You feeling short?
Yeah, I'm having difficulty breathing. Really side effects, right?
Yeah. You
want to
sit right here. Sit right
Am I- Yeah, am I fine?
You're fine.
I just wanted to document my journey, my vaccine journey. It's fine. So kita mo, bisag nagkalisod ko ginhawa ba, nag-vlog hapon ko, para lang yun ninyo niya. Gihapon mo subscribe ba, gupaan na ng subscribe button, diha kay para di na ninyo makitaan. That feels weird. That's it. Good. All of a sudden, I just feel like catching my breath. But now it's like getting back to normal. But maybe I just panicked.
Let me borrow you.
So do you have a history of allergies?
Not that I'm aware of.
Okay. All right. And do you have any other medical problems? Do
No.
you have any tightness in your throat?
No.
Okay.
I
Do you
am
feel
actually
itchy
doing fine. No.
sometimes? Okay. Do you feel anxious?
Yeah, anxious.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, like in the past couple of months, I have like anxiety or stress, but
Sure. Like a lot of us, right? In this darn
Yeah,
so
crazy.
much stress. How do you feel right now?
I feel much better. But
Okay. Okay.
I just want to make sure I'm good.
no, we wanna
my
check everybody.
yeah, my family is waiting outside and just
Yeah.
by the way, I'm documenting my vaccine journey, so if you don't mind.
That's great. Okay.
Yeah.
Where are you going to show it?
I have a YouTube channel, so yeah. Just my adventures here in Minnesota.
You guys are going to get some vitals. Go ahead and do that.
Are you okay to take off your jacket?
So your
Yeah.
oxygen is 98.
Yes.
So I'm good.
Well, your heart rate's high. I'm a little anxious.
I panicked.
Worrisome?
Have a seat though. Let's take your jacket off.
Yes, please.
We're gonna watch you a little bit, and so you need. Are they waiting for you out front?
Yeah, I can just call my wife.
Okay.
Just they're in
Just
the.
tell them you're getting checked out here, and I think it's your wife who's coming to pick you up.
No, I'm the one driving. She can't drive.
So she's waiting for you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I need to be able to say.
So I
turn it
can't.
on like this? Yes, also.
Does your wife want to come in? I mean, I can't let you go like this yet with your heart rate so fast, but
My wife and my two sons are in the parking lot right now. Waiting for me.
okay.
So we're supposed to head over to grocery after this.
Any chest pain?
Not just pain, just all of a sudden I feel like
Okay.
shortness of breathing.
Okay. Well, we're gonna check you out very carefully and make sure everything's okay. Okay. Do you take any medication?
No medication, just supplements.
No drugs?
No drugs.
What kind of supplements?
Like vitamins, like
Okay. So
like
crazy stuff.
No,
That has a
not
lot of
crazy. No,
caffeine
not
or
crazy
that
stuff.
kind of-
Just multivitamin stuff.
Did you have a lot of caffeine today?
Yes.
How much caffeine today?
So I drink in the morning coffee, and then before I got here coffee, and then I went for a smoke. Maybe that's a
Couple coffees. Okay.
Is there any incidents that like
Can you
me?
please no, quiet 1 second? Okay, one
Okay.
second. I'm
Okay,
sorry,
let's be
because
done.
very
Yeah.
high.
Is this the first incident like this? Like,
We see many people.
and they're doing fine. Okay, just want to make sure I'm not the only one.
168 over 100 or
Okay.
5.
We're going to watch you here a little bit. Just make sure your heart rate and blood pressure come down a little bit, and make sure your symptoms are getting better rather than worse. We have been seeing many, many, many people who are anxious, and sometimes that's rapid heart rate or short of breath or tingly. And allergic usually has, tight in the throat and hives and that
No,
kind of
I
thing,
don't.
which you don't have.
No, I don't have.
So your wife can come, back here if you want, or she can keep waiting. But we're gonna watch you for a bit here. Okay.
I'm just gonna call her.
Yeah, that's fine. I'll check back with you in a few minutes. But right now, it's just that your heart rate's a little fast, and we'll recheck that in a moment.
Okay, sounds good.
Do you have anything more stressful the last few months for you?
Kids. We have like a newborn son,
Oh yeah.
and work, and this pandemic thing.
Yes, I know. Isn't that true? For
Like
everybody?
staying at home is like that's crazy. I mean,
Yeah, I agree.
you can do a lot of exercise, walking, stuff like that.
So I want you just to try and relax yourself. Know everything is looking good. Other than we just want your heart rate and blood pressure to relax a little bit, and I'll come back and check you in a few minutes. Does that sound okay?
Okay.
And we'll get there in a
No, I feel much better because.
Yeah. No, we'll watch you carefully. I'm not going to have you go anywhere.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. So, to siya guys. All of a sudden, kanang naglisod ko ginawa ba kanang weird kayong feeling at tayo hadlo kabi na kog majiji na ko. Ngayon, I feel much better, pero i-observe lang gyapon ko nila kay kanang for safety ba. So tawagan sana ko akong misis kay basin mabalaka. Wow, you can count?
Yeah.
That's crazy. How do you do that?
Where you can find your pulse. Right here is where you can feel your own pulse. Take that out for a minute. And so you can just count. Has your wife been vaccinated?
No, not yet, but she's scheduled for Tuesday next week. Yeah.
Okay. Where will she do it?
I think in Fairview.
At one of the clinics?
Yeah,
or
pretty much.
something?
Yep.
Okay, good. Yeah.
Hopefully she won't experience what I'm experiencing. That's gonna.
Are you
It's
short
crazy.
of breath, or are you okay that way now?
Sometimes it,
Kind of
it's
you
catching.
can catch your
I'm not
breath.
sure if it's the mask or.
Take the mask down. Would that be more comfortable? You sure can.
Taya di pandang itsura. Bisaya kay Brad. Balik lang mask.
Sometimes just that in and of itself kind of helps you. What?
Wow, that's crazy.
It's okay though. You're not the only one who has.
Just wanna make sure I'm good. Buang nga bitaw mo ang feel na ko ang nakapalisod na ko ginhawa kay kato mang double nga mask kay nagsud nimo magmask ka pasapawan pag yung another mask mo guro tong nakapalisod na ko ginhawa. So on another day I think I'm feeling good. So mananghid na ko mabatsin ako pa-check sa ako. Nakagawas na ko ni mahal. Tiba kay tada tiba. 1 hour sad ko dito. Nagi-hold nila kaya observe. Yeah. Ito nga, nagkurog pa ko karon kaya na-panic. Pero so far I'm feeling better. So, mga to siya akong experience sa COVID vaccine nga first shot. So ang process good kay diri sa Minnesota or generally sa US kay nakay duha ka option. It's either nga mo register ka online sa Department of Health or ikaw mismo ang mangita og vaccine center nga location. Sa akong nga side kay na-register ako sa Department of Health, niya sila may nangita og vaccine center, and then after a few days nakadawat og email, and then select ra ko og location para asa ko magpa-vaccine. Nga mo to siya, automatic schedule imong first shot og second shot. Depende sa provider. So sa kuha kay Pfizer ako ang provider sa vaccine. Unya ang kuan dire, ang vaccine dire kay free na siya. Walay bayad, libre ang government ang mo bayad dire sa vaccine. So mo nakanindot sa dire kay libre ba ya. Pagadto sa nako kay ang parking kung ang imong appointment kay vaccine, free po na siya. Sa case sa katong ako ang reaction after sa vaccine is di mo nga mahadlo kay normal na siya. Actually dili tanan maka-feel og ingon ato, depende sa tao, depende sa inyong lawas or sa inyong immune system. So again, normal na siyang reaction. Ang common kay shortness of kanang breath, kanang malisod ka ginhawa, niya malipong ka or feel ka kasukaon, labad imong fever, flu. So mo na mga common nga mga reaction after ka ma-vaksinan. Sa ako so far kuan ra man akong na-feel kato nagkalisod ko ginhawa, nya pag uli sa balay kay medyo kapoy ang lawas, poy-poy, nya ako ang bukton nga asa ko nga injeksyonan kay hawoy pud, hawoy. So mo na akong nabati, wala hilanat, kapoy lang niya. Karon okay na ko, naka-recover na ko nya. So far so good nya. Ingon biya sila nga sa second dose daw mas grabe ang reaction. So we'll see sa ko nga case kung unsay reaction ako, kung balik ba nga maka-feel ko kanang lisod ginhawa na pod. So again, walay kahadlok nya. Kung na-available nga vaccine diya sa inyo ha is vaccine na mo kay para safe ba. So mo to siya nya, kita ta sa sunod nga video. Thank you.